Hello everyone, here are the latest market news on February the 25th, 2021. GameStop's UK shares nearly tripled following US. Shares of GameStop Corp on the Frankfurt Stock Exchange rose 180% in pre-market trading Thursday. That's after shares of the U.S. video game retailer more than doubled in late trading in the previous session. Analysts could not identify a single cause for the sharp move, but at least one was definitely ruled out: a short squeeze influenced by Reddit. Some Twitter users pointed to the activist investor's tweet as the reason, while others cited factors such as options trading and GameStop CFO Jim Bell's resignation, which was announced Tuesday. U.S. stock listed on GameStop soared nearly 104% on Wednesday and had several holds. A few hours later, they jumped another 85%. Shares of movie theater operator AMC Entertainment, another favorable stock last month, also spiked 34.7% after the stock rose 18% in the U.S. on Wednesday. Nvidia's quarterly revenue jumped 1.5 times. Nvidia Corp reported better than predicted first quarter earnings Wednesday. However, its flagship gaming chips are still expected to remain in short supply over the next few months. Revenue jumped 61% to $5.003 billion from $3.105 billion a year earlier. Revenue surpassed the $5 billion mark for the first time thanks to strong demand for video games and renewed interest in cryptocurrency mining. However, the company is trying to counter this trend by offering special mining chips to free up the supply of graphics chips for others. Nvidia said that the global chip shortage has made it difficult to maintain the company's gaming chips and that the chips are likely to remain in scarce supply until the first fiscal quarter. Nvidia's shares were down 2.2% in after-hours trading Wednesday. Over the past 12 months, the company capitalization has more than doubled. Stock markets bounce as Fed eases rate concerns. Global stock indexes jumped on Thursday after U.S. Federal Reserve Chairman Jerome Powell confirmed that interest rates will remain low for a long time. In turn, this soothed market fears that rising inflation could push the central bank to tighten monetary policy. Powell's statement boosted reflationary trading and risky asset prices while pushing U.S. bond yields to annual highs. In Asia, the MSCI Asia-Pacific Equity Index rose 1.5% and the Nikkei Index in Japan climbed 1.7%. Hong Kong Hang Seng Index jumped 1.5% to make up more than half of the previous day's losses. European stocks opened higher with Eurostoxx 50 and FTSE futures up about 0.6%. On the second day of testimony in Washington, Powell reiterated the Fed's pledge to return the U.S. economy to full employment and not to worry about inflation, and prices did not rise steadily and alarmingly. Next, head of CIA to focus on rivalry with China. CIA nominee William Burns told a Senate committee hearing Wednesday that he considers rivalry with China and resistance to its hostile predatory leadership a key principle of U.S. national security. Speaking before the committee, Burns outlined his four top priorities: the people, the partnership, China, and technology, if he is confirmed to head the CIA. Burns, 64, is a former professional diplomat who has held State Department posts under both Democratic and Republican administrations. He was U.S. ambassador to Moscow in the mid-2000s. He also told senators that President Joe Biden's administration will soon give a formal assessment of Russia-related issues, including the hacking attack on SolarWinds.